everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So now let's talk about, or let's analyze how the paper was, how the December 2023 examination came in. First thing first, there's a very prevalent question going on, and that is, was the morning shift easier or were the evening shift easier? See, if you analyze the morning shift and the evening shift, in the morning shift, yes, the part C section was comparatively to an extent on the little bit easier side as compared to the evening shift. Evening shift was a bit on the moderate side. Like, if you want to analyze and just give a comparative analysis to it. Otherwise, there was no as such difference between the two papers. We had exactly the same level of questions in both part, in the morning shift also and in the evening shift also. So make sure that if you are having this myth कि morning shift बहुत ही easy था और evening shift बहुत difficult था, ऐसा नहीं था. It was comparatively, अगर हम overall तीनों sections के अंदर देखें, so the paper or the level of the paper was more or less similar on both the ends. Talking about part A this time, part A was comparatively on the easier side as compared to the previous papers. Part A के अंदर काफी questions doable थे, as according to the information that I have got from my students that were enrolled in our batches. So part A काफी easier था, and अगर आपने regular practice करी थी तो part A was like properly doable and आराम से 10 से 12 questions जा सकते थे. Then part B was on the very solid factual part. Both morning shift and evening shift दोनों के अंदर बड़े solid factual questions थे. If you had a very good grip over your theory segment, you could have easily solved it. But अगर grip नहीं थी, अगर repeated practicing नहीं थी, it would have led you to a backlog that you might have found this particular section difficult. That is the part B. Then comes part C. Part C was comparatively, I'm just talking about the comparison. Morning shift people were able to solve out 25 questions out of the 75. They were easily able to like grab those 25 questions. But evening shift, on the other hand, students were getting stuck at 21 and 22. So इस comparison के according, on a slightly lower level, morning shift was comparatively for part C section on the bit easier side, और इवनिंग शिफ्ट के अंदर पार्ट सी सेक्शन के अंदर क्वेश्चंस को चूज अप करना. अगर आपकी प्रेपरेशन स्ट्रांग थी, फॉर श्योर नो वरीज इन दैट. बट अगर प्रेपरेशन थोड़ी वीक थी, यू माइट हैव फाउंड पार्ट सी अ बिट डिफिकल्ट. लेकिन अगर हम तीनों पार्ट्स को एनालाइज करें, ए बी एंड सी को, सो द पेपर लेवल वाज मोर और लेस सेम. With this particular paper, you can understand that examiners are changing the trend. They are changing. They are not having any rote memorization kind of a thing कि आपने जो पिछले 4 साल में पेपर देखे वो सेम कर लिया, as it is आएगा. नहीं. You can see the change in the pattern. You can see the change in the pattern in sense of the type of the question, the level of the question that are getting asked, because obviously it's a national level examination. So you should be focusing upon कि हम अपने knowledge को कैसे enhance करें, how or what problems did I face in my previous attempt, right? So this is a short analytical video where you can like get a bit of glimpse. Let the response key come in very soon, because you might get it in a span of 10 days. So after that, you will be like, I'll be able to properly analyze what the exact thing was. This is just based upon what information I got from my students, right? So if you have prepared very nicely, ना morning shift difficult था, ना evening shift difficult था, and अगर आपने prepare नहीं किया था, so आपके लिए morning shift भी difficult होगा and evening shift भी होगा. As simple as that. A normal basic reality thing that you should always accept for yourself, right? So remember this particular thing, that now there is no point just sitting and thinking about कि क्या गलती हुई. गलती को like just accept your mistake and move forward with the next preparation. This is a short quick video for you all. I hope it was helpful. Make sure to start preparing for your next attempt effectively, and if you're looking out for an affordable options for the live classes. So we have our own application. You can download our application, get yourself enrolled in the June 2024 batch, which is ongoing for the students who are going to appear in the June month. So all the best everyone, good luck, take care, and let's meet in our classes very soon. You can download our app and get yourself enrolled. All the links are in the description box. All the best everyone, bye, take care.